Okay, so in this video, let's try to understand how to create a Python bot for our Discord channel. Okay, so let's start. So first thing is we'll have to create a bot application first. So for that, go to discord.com/developer/applications. Okay, so first we'll create our bot, new application. We'll have to give a bot name. I would say chums bot. Okay, some number. Okay, and let's create it. So once we have it, you can set the required description and icons. It's up to your choice. And let's go to OAuth2. Okay, and we'll add this bot to our channel, right? So that it can read the messages and it can respond to those messages, right? So first thing we'll say this is a bot, and then you can give the required permissions here. Okay, so if you just want this bot to handle the text related actions, right, you can select the send messages, read message history, or maybe mention everyone. All these things you can go by granular way. Okay, and for now I will just go with administrator. I want this bot to capable to be do all the things. Okay, so once we got this set the permission, right, bot, and this we got this generated URL. This will be used to add this bot to the chat. Okay. Okay, so now it shows like I have two servers in my account. So let's go with the first one. I'm adding this bot to this channel. Okay, continue, authorize this. It shows that what is the role. So let's finish this captcha. Go to Python Discord automation. So yeah, these were the previous chats. Okay, and so we can see that our newly created bot is added to the existing server. Okay, these were the previous bots. I just deleted it. Okay, so now we have the bots created. We are good here, correct? And now we want to write a code for this bot to respond to such things. Okay, so now how to go about it, right? So let's go to this application again. So now we need a token for it, right? Like for a Python script, we'll write a Python script, we'll generate a token for it, and we'll use the token there. Okay, so for that, yeah, and also for to read the messages, right, you will have to make sure that you to enable this. Okay, and just review these also. Like if your requirement needs this, right, you can just enable these two also. Just make sure that what does this do, and go proceed further. Okay, and now first thing is we'll need a token. Haven't generated it. Let's me use a password. 1 second. Oh, sorry. Let's do it. Verify something else. Yeah, I think this will work. Hurry. Sorry for that. Let's do it. Let me select this. Submit. Okay, so we got the token here. Okay, now let's start the code. Okay, so have the code ready. I will share the code in the description. Okay, so now we got the token, right? We'll just update the existing token. Now first run this, right, like how it goes. Python discord bot.py. Okay, bot is starting. Okay, now it is successfully logged in. Okay, let's see like if the bot is online. Okay, so let's go to the channel again. Now we can see the bot is online. Okay, so now see like what are the things this bot can do. Okay, this is a very simple bot. I'm just trying to explain how to configure it. Okay, the configuration wise now we are done. Okay, so the first thing is we'll generate a token from the env file, as that is the best practice, right, to keep all the environment things at a separate place. And so just to meet the practices, we'll just have a token in a separate file and read it from there. Okay, and import the required modules. Okay, and this intents, this is required to use events such like on messages and everything, right? We need this intent. Okay, and next thing is for the commands. Like if I want to run some command, okay, like I will use I can use any prefix. I have set it as to exclamatory here. So if I say that this, and I can specify a command name. Okay, if I say any command name, if that command matches with any of the if I had set anything for that command, right, that command will be run, that function will be run here. Okay, so now let's see. Okay, once this bot is successfully logged in, we get this message, as you can see here. right? And here this is the main part for the bot. So whenever there is a new message in the channel, right, this will get alert. Okay, like I mean this code will be triggered, and we will be doing the logic running here. Okay, so first thing is, if the bot itself sent a message, right, we should ignore that, correct? So we will be checking that message dot, if it is bot user, just don't do anything, just return it. Okay, if the message content says hello, reply with saying this. You can say that, if you can write it to anything, like we can have multiple combination here. Like if a message content contains hi, hello, anything, right, you respond with this. Okay, so that's one thing. And also now, okay, let's see that, right, how it is working. So let's go to the channel. I logged in as my other account, so I will say hello. Yeah, replied saying that, hello, how can I help you today? That how did it work? So basically this message, right, this exactly the same message I've typed. So instead, if I code it like, if the message contains hello, right, like I mean hello, how are you, whatever the things I say, if this condition meets, I will be sending back this. Okay, and next thing is, I have a command for a ping. Okay, let's say that if I pass the command ping, right, should respond with a pong. It can be anything, but for now, we'll see how this works, right? Let's say that if I say ping, let us be saying pong, right? So how that our, like I mean if we and also that pre exclamation, right, as I've said before, that is determined by this. If you can use question mark, that also works. Okay, so command is like this. And you can see here, right, so once we get any new messages, right, we'll see if it matches with any of our commands. If it doesn't match us, we'll process our commands. Like we have here, we have defined as a ping, right? We can set any number of commands, and it will run the set of actions. Yeah, that's how we can connect the Python bot. Like we can create a Python bot and add it to the channel and make it to reply. So like, going forward, we can add numerous commands here and add more functionalities. Maybe we can add a support or whatever, right? We can do that here. Yeah, that is it. Thank you.